let's keep it real estate. Respectfully, if you are a real estate agent and you do not have a QR code on your business card or your yard signs, what are we doing? Are we not in business here? I believe that real estate agents in this modern era of technology, social media, video content creation, and AI should take their digital footprint very seriously, because if you don't, you are leaving money on the table, and another real estate agent is just going to come up and eat your leftovers, and we don't want that. Now, a simple way to avoid that situation entirely, and more importantly, stay relevant in this era of the new era, is to have a single link and a QR code that leads to all of your online resources. So let me show you. Here is an example of a business card that, yes, you know how I do. I sell Canva templates on Etsy for my real estate agent besties. Regardless if you are a real estate agent or you are just in business in general, you should have a QR code on your business card, because it's just elite. It's an elite hack. And when you have a QR code on your business card, yes, somebody will obviously see your email, your website, or whatever information you have here, but it's so convenient when somebody has a QR code, because then it enables me to actually click on this website link, go to any of your social media profiles, and same thing when it comes to your yard signs. You can also shop this on my Etsy shop, just saying. And with a QR code, you have, again, all of your social media and your website or anything that this QR code may be leading to. Now, I have a very, unconventional way of creating a QR code. Now, what I do in particular is this. So I like to use Bitly. And with Bitly, what happens when you use the paid version of Bitly is that you can do two things. You can customize the look of your Bitly here, so everything after the slug, and if it happens to be the case where you need to redirect this link to a different website, you very well can. So if you scroll down here, you can see that I have redirected this particular link to 3 different platforms. So originally I was using this link. If you clicked on this link, it would go to my website here, but then I changed that to go to my Linktree, and then from Linktree I was like, no, I want to use Beacons AI because this is what I'm feeling right now. Or if you want to lead it to, let's say, a Flodesk form like this one, this is the bio link form, you can redirect your Bitly link to this particular website. Now, why do I say use Bitly? Well, here's the thing. Because I'm redirecting this particular link to different websites throughout my business career, I want to make sure that when I have a QR code, as you see here, that wherever somebody is scanning this QR code, whether that be a month ago, 3 months ago, a year ago, that QR code is still going to be relevant, okay? Are you catching my drift here? Now, you may be asking, why don't you just create your QR code on Canva? Well, yes, you can. There is a QR code maker on Canva, which I will show you. But like I said, the benefit here is that you go ahead and create a Bitly account and create your Bitly link. Now, you can use the free version of Bitly to do so, but again, if you upgrade your plan to the paid version, and I'm not being sponsored to say this, but if you update your plan to a paid pro plan, you have the ability to redirect your links and also create a custom QR code. Now, here's the hack for you. If you are just using the free version of Bitly, go ahead and do so. So if you go here to create a new link, all you do is put in your destination URL. So this can be, again, whatever you want, your website, Linktree, Beacons AI, Flodesk form, whatever it is. And then with a paid account, you can, again, have a custom backlink. But I do believe that if you are on the free version, you can't do that. But that doesn't really matter all that much. And then go ahead and give this a title option. Now you see here, because I am using the paid version of Bitly, I have 5 QR codes for this month. But let's just say, for the sake of this tutorial, if you don't have the paid version of Bitly, I would go in here and I would just copy this link here that you created. So you created that shortened link. Go into whatever design you have. Let's say we're going to go into this business card template here. Let's say this wasn't there. Now, you want to take that Bitly link and we want to go into the app section. You want to search for QR code. Now Canva has a bajillion different QR code makers by other third-party companies, but I just use the first one. This is the native QR code maker in Canva. From here, you just want to go ahead and paste that link that we took from Bitly, and when you do so, we're going to generate code, and boom, bang, just like that, we have a QR code. And then you want to size this accordingly. You can take this exact same code. So let's see here. Will it upload to my upload section? Probably not. But let's see. If we copy this, can we copy this? Copy QR code. We're going to go into the yard sign here. Let's just delete this and go ahead and paste that. And obviously, I would go ahead and take your mobile device and scan this QR code to make sure that it does indeed go to that specific Bitly link or that platform you want this QR code to go to. But this is what I recommend for real estate agents, for anybody that's in business, that you have social media platforms or any kind of online resource that you want to drive traffic to. Now, if you are an iPhone, Mac, iOS user like your girl, I have a super hack for you that you are going to enjoy, because when I learned how to do this, mind blown. So what you're going to do is copy this link here and go into the settings of your device, and we want to search for text replacement. There we go, click on that. And what we're doing is creating a basic text shortcut, if you will. So in this case, what I'm going to do is click on this plus button, and then I'm going to choose an acronym for this link. I'm going to go MYL for my link, if you will, and then I'm going to replace it with the Bitly link that we just copied. Go ahead and paste that in and hit add. Now let's simulate this. If you were texting somebody or you're writing an email and you're like, I need that Bitly link, all you gotta do is put MYL, hit enter, boom, bang, you have that link ready to go. So that way you can save that much more time. Now, if you made it to the very end of this video, then you know what it is. You know what to do. Yeah, comment down below and crew, so I know you are a real one. And if you would like to learn how to build an email list so you can turn your list into leads, then I think you will definitely enjoy this video here, where I show you how to create a Flodesk bio link lead capture page. So if you are ready, get ready to click in 3,